channel. Ayan guys, let's talk about laser. Anyway guys, 2 years ago, I'm doing waxing. When I was pregnant, the first thing is the reason why I'll do laser is I have a lot of chicken skin. If you have a questions why I have a lot of chicken skin, it's because of the waxing. I really do respect to people, to those ladies that doing waxing. I really do respect you guys, and don't get mad at me. It's just like the waxing, it's not for me. So now, nung dumadami sang chicken skin at saka hindi na rin ako hindi ako hiyang, and just like, oh god, it's so itchy. And after that I'm waxing, after 2 weeks, it's just like growing, tumutubo na mabuk ang kati. Tapos yung iba hindi siya, it don't even came out, the hairs don't even came out, just like go back right away in the skin, digging into my skin. So now that cause of chicken skin. So now I just don't like it, and hate ko talaga siya. So now I really decide like I wanna do laser. So kasi nagtatanong ako. So now if you guys that asking why I'm doing waxing, yeah, I've been doing shaving. I'm doing waxing. I'm doing waxing when I was 7 months pregnant. Don't judge me because my hormones at that time, it's really changing. My hormones is crazy. Just like it's first time in my life, like why it's ba't ngayon lang to, diba? Ba't ngayon lang to? Why not before, you know? So now nung nangyari is nagpa-wax ako, tapos ganun, naka-chicken skin siya. Sabi ko, ayoko. So now sabi ko, I heard about laser, like, oh, why not laser? Everybody. So thank God of the technology now. Because of the technology, it's really saved my life. So now I'm doing laser, and then first, if you do laser, it make you addicted. It's really make you addicted. Una po sa lahat, nung experience, let's talk about experience about laser. Ang experience ko po about laser is, first is ang sakit, and then when I do my first session is sabi ko in the second day, sabi ko, why tumubo yung buhok? Sabi ko, dali-dali akong kumuha. I took my phone and I dialed the number and I called the place. I said like, why the hair is like, you know, but siya tumubo ulit, ganito ganon. And then the place says that yeah, it's normal, you know, it's normal. They explain a lot of things to me na it's normal, and then just wait because it just came up by itself. So nung nakikita ko siya in the following days, nakita ko siya, nalagas lang yung buhok, nalagas lang siya. So sabi nung the police told me na just rub your, you know, just rub the part that, you know, that ni-laser. Nung nirub ko siya, nung naligo ako, nirub ko siya, yung buhok, natanggal talaga siya lahat. Ayan. So now, in the third session, second session still painful, and third session still painful. Yes, it's not funny, hindi talaga siya masaya, pero sakit talaga, pero carry bills, you know. So ngayon, ginawa ko siya. So yung na third session na, yung chicken skin, yung mga tao, we call it ingrown. So now, yung mga parang pimple, yung ano lang, nung we call it ingrown. So now, yung ingrown nawala siya. Yung parang pimple na parang nawala siya. It's get plain and get white. And then the good thing of a laser is kasi pag nag-shave kasi tayo, it causes darkness. Yung nagda-dark yung skin natin. So nagda-dark siya. Actually, nagda-dark. So nung ni-laser na siya, pumuti siya, nawala yung chicken skin, flawless na. So now the result is I am so happy. So now I just I am in my 4th session. I'm supposed to be doing my 5th session, pero hindi ko siya nagawa. It's because dahil sa panahon ngayon, nireschedule ko yun pero naabutan ako ng sa nangyari ngayon na hindi tayo makalabas, everything is closed. So, may dalawang session pa ako. So now, I asked the place before they close, I asked them that how much to do my underarm, my legs, and my arms, but it costs a lot of money. So now, I asked my husband if he can buy one for me. So, sabi niya, okay, let me see. So, nung niya, sabi niya, oh, they have more cheaper. Sabi ko, if you buy the cheap one, yung mumurahin, hindi siya tumalab. Kasi nga, depende din siya sa machine. Hindi na nagpa-laser ka, well, okay, I'll do laser this, that, it's good. Okay, boom. Hindi siya, Pero depende din siya kasi sa machine. In my case, at the time, so I said, I have a specific one machine that I really want it. So, binili ni Habi. So, ito talaga siya. At saka, binuksan ko na siya. Ni-rip off ko na talaga. So, kasi, tinatry ko siya sa asawa ko. Tinatry ko na din siya sa sarili ko. Pero, ito po siya. May manual siya. 3 times a week po siyang gagamitin. Actually, it's perfect. It's really good. It's really nice. Kung ano yung experience ko sa laser doon sa place talaga, sa professional mechanics talaga, yung big machine, it's really the same thing of this machine. So now, I want to show you guys, I have this, and this is really most important kasi nga, magpa-flash nga yung machine. So now, this is the machine. So now, ito po siyang power on button. Ayan, ito po pag gusto mo, pag mainit na gusto mo ipa-cold. Ayan. I-add ko sa video na to, yung video na ginawa ko sa husband ko. The video that at that time, the actual that I'm doing to my husband. Actually, hindi po ako nagsisisi. I never regret why I buy this machine. It's because it's really perfect and it's really good. So now, I'll try it in my legs, and then my legs is hindi siya tumubo. Yung iba tumubo because I'm not done of my session yet. So ginamit ko siya is I am in, I think 9 ata, pang siyam ko na siya. Pero yung ibang part ng nung legs ko na wala na talaga siya, hindi na talaga siya tumubo. It's kind of expensive, pero worth it siya. Pero alam nyo kasi guys, pero kung ayaw nyo naman, if you guys, is not a laser thing person, which is okay, but if to the person, to the people, like, to those ladies that they really like to be, easy peasy, like, okay, I just don't want to keep doing this, doing that, to shape this, to shape that. No, ang gawin nyo lang is to buy the machine for your own, buy nyo lang yung machine, tapos ilalagay ko sa description kung saan ko siya binili, at saka pag hindi, if you guys don't trust yourself, so and you guys don't have an experience yet, so it's better to ask the professional and then do it there in the place that it's really so doon nyo siya gawin. Pero ako kasi, marami na akong na-experience, at saka dami na akong friend na ginawa to. Kaya anyway guys, pag may tanong kayo about it, just comment below. And ayun guys, i-insert ko na lang yung video kung paano ko siya ginawa, kung paano ko ginawa sa asawa ko. So ayan, kung kayo guys, kung may tanong kayo, just don't forget to comment below, and then please hit the like buttons. Pag hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa channel ko, subscribe na din. Ayan guys, dito na magtatapos ang ating vlog about ating review about sa machine na nabili ng asawa ko. And guys, love you. Bye! Okay? Did you feel it? Okay.
What?
What?
That hurts.
No, you're
Yes.
supposed no because that's the hair. You're supposed to be close your eyes.
Ooh.
Sorry, you know.
Ay, ay, ay.
Okay, the other side.
Ow! Jesus.
Okay, I'm just like okay,
This
air.
side is sensitive, man.
Air. So because you just like it's not painful, babe. It's just like
I mean,
the one
it's
that I
pain.
have, the one that I have over there. It's very painful. But the thing is just like it's in your head already. You know that, right? It's just cold. It's cold though. It's cold.
Ow!
Guys, say it's cold. Touch it.
Yes, it's cold until it's not.
Yeah. My client is keep complaining and complaining. Oh my god. See, sir, you're gonna be finished very soon. So guys, while I'm doing this to my husband, this machine, it costs a lot. It costs a lot because it have kind of not that much, but
Jesus.
the one that is not that much is like the one that they have like see, you don't need.
I just felt a flash in my eye.
So that's why I told you close your
My
eyes.
eyes are closed and I still see a flash.
Oh my god. And because don't waste your money if you buy the cheap one, it's because it's not gonna work. Actually, see? You have a lot of ingrown, okay? So stop complaining.